In this month's Tips and Tricks with Planet Technologies, we'd like to bring some attention to a new feature currently rolling out to Microsoft Teams, Ultrasound Howling Detection. With more and more people leaving their work from home setup and going back into the office, the likelihood of multiple people joining a Teams meeting from the same room is pretty high, especially with hybrid meetings now becoming common practice. This introduces a problem, though, where these users might have their microphones unmuted and their speakers on, which can result in an echo. Or, even worse, a harsh, screeching feedback loop that blasts through your speakers and headphones. Microsoft calls this ultrasound howling. We've all encountered this annoying occurrence, and thankfully, now there's a solution. When joining a Teams meeting in progress on a laptop, this new feature will detect other devices in the same location that are already part of that meeting and automatically turn off any newcomer speakers and microphone in order to avoid any sound issues. Users will be notified of this and can still unmute if they need to. This will save everyone's ears on the call and make sure there are no unexpected distractions. Expect to see this feature roll out to Enterprise, GCC, and GCC High users throughout March and April. Thanks for watching this month's Tips and Tricks. Give us a follow and stay tuned for future videos.